Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can manage Google Play subscriptions in Realme C51. So in the first step, open the profile icon in the Play Store, then choose the payments and subscriptions. And now if you need to edit, add or remove any payment method, just open this section. And as you can see, you can add the PayPal here, PaySafe card, etc. or open the more payment settings. If you need to check all of your active subs, you can do it here. If you need to set the maximum budget for your apps and subscriptions or just check the history and past orders, open this section. If you need to use the redeem code, of course use this section. That's it. Thanks for watching, let's like, recommend and goodbye.